What's up, guys? We're back again with another one. Another single cab here in Albuquerque. Well done sunroof. We're gonna be doing a black suede headliner, blacking everything out. Check it out. Here's the truck. Already started removing the headliner. Here we go. I'm gonna cut the inside part off, center up the top of the roof, and then get a center line, put my bracket, and then start cutting it out. All right, guys, we got the bracket installed, fiberglass on top. We're gonna start the body work. There's a bracket. I'm gonna start the body work on top. Everything's already ran. We got our power and our drain hoses. There's our drain hoses for the back. We're getting closer. Get the body work done. I always want to get the body work done on top so I can install the sunroof, install the drain hoses, power it up, ground it, and then start the headliner. It should be done. Alright, guys, we got the headliner done, wrapped in black suede. Went ahead and painted the visors. The plastics are over there, and the handle, the clips, everything's gonna match. Here we go. It is cut out for the sunroof. We're gonna go ahead and place it in. I'm gonna get everything 100%, and then we'll get some video. All right, guys, she's done. Came out badass. Check it out. Perfect.